If your smile's holding you back, you're not alone and you're not out of options. I'm Dr. Alex Gaeta, and here at Intercoastal Dental, we're helping patients take their lives back one smile at a time. Whether it's implants, full mouth reconstruction, or you're just trying to get out of pain, we combined surgical precision with personalized care. We take the time to understand your story, your fears, and your goals. This isn't a one-size-fits-all. This is a plan made just for you.
We don't just clean teeth, we protect your health and confidence for the long run.
From the very first phone call, our job is to make sure you feel like you belong here.
Whether you're nervous or unsure, we'll meet you where you are, with compassion.
You don't have to settle and you don't have to wait. Let's get you the confidence to smile again and the care to make it last. This is Intercoastal Dental, and we're just getting started.